So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add your affiliate link to your Instagram profile. How to add your affiliate link to your Instagram profile. So you can use this method to add affiliate links to your Instagram so that you can start making money as you go about driving traffic to your Instagram page. Now, for you to add affiliate links to your Instagram profile, there are two ways to go about it. The first way is to use a website called Linktree. This method is very popular. Like, a lot of people use this method, a lot of Instagram users. So let me show you guys an example of what I'm saying. So when I go to the search bar here, I'll search for a particular user, let me search for this lady, virtual assistant. Alright, this lady right here, you can see on her profile, she's making use of Linktree like very well. You can see the Linktree link here. So once you click on it, you get to see so many other links that are connected to our Linktree. So for you, you could also have similar results. You could also get to create similar thing for yourself, whereby you have just one link that is connecting to every other places, connecting to your free courses, your product you are selling, your affiliate links, anything. You can see that there are so many links here. Anywhere you click, it takes you to a particular place. This is just so interesting. Can you see? So many of them. And you know that if it's on your Instagram, you can't add all these to your Instagram profile. Like, it is limiting to add them to your Instagram profile directly. So it's better you have just a link. Then from that link, people can actually get to like connect to other links. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'll be showing you how you can create this kind of thing for yourself so that you can get to add it on your profile and drive traffic to your Linktree. So for you to do that, you want to simply go to Linktree and create an account for yourself. So just go to your browser and search for Linktree. So you can see, so right here you click on Linktree sign up. So right here I'll be showing you guys how to sign up on Linktree. So once you click on the first link, to bring up here you can create a free account for yourself. So this is the platform. So right here I'll just go ahead and put in my email, Charles. Once you put in your email, then you come here and click on continue. Then you input your password. So I'll just do that behind the screen. Alright, so I've added a password for myself. So I'll go ahead and create an account for myself. So you can see that this is our Linktree link. Can you see? So you can even customize this later on. Let me see if you can do that right now. So let's just try and customize it. I'll just write digital Charles. You can see that it is available. So if yours is not available, just change the name, twist it, and try to come up with something better. So I'll click on continue. This will be our Linktree link. Do you get? So right here, this is the link you'll be putting on your Instagram profile. Hope you get what I'm saying now. You put this on your Instagram profile. So over here, they ask us to verify our email. So you can choose to verify later, but let me just go ahead and do that right away. So I'll check my email and verify it. Alright, so I've successfully verified my email. So they say you should tell them about yourself. So just choose whatever relates with you. So for me, I'll be choosing creator. I could also choose business, but let me choose creator. Then I'll click on continue. You can see that we have the free accounts here. There's starter account and there's pro accounts. So just go ahead and choose this one. So you click on here and join for free. Alright, so right here is where you get to choose the templates that you want to use for yourself. So just check through all the templates and see which one actually align with you, which one you feel that you can use for yourself. So I'll just search through. So you can see that there are several templates right here. Alright, so let me use this template. You can see this particular one, Justin Maxwell. So once I click on this template, then I'll click on start with this template. Can you see? So once you click on start with this template, then it will bring out some things you need to edit on the template. They say you should pick up to 5 platforms that you are on. Do you understand? So I'll just choose 5 platforms, or you can even choose less than 5 if you don't want to choose 5. So for me, I'll be choosing websites, then I'll choose TikTok, then we can choose any other one. But let me just choose these two to show you what I'm saying. So I'll click on continue. So you can see these are the only 2 links that will appear on my Linktree profile. So right here, I'll just add my website link. So this is my website link right here. So and over here, so let me just insert my username, Digital Charles. So you can see these are the two links that will appear on our Linktree profile. And if you want to add other links, do you understand? Like you want to add affiliate links to a product. So you can just come here and add as much links as you want to add. You can see them here. You can see them. So let me add one of my links right here. I mean the link to my affiliate product. Let me add it right here. So if you want to add more links, you can just come down here and add them. Let me even add the link to my WhatsApp. Alright, so I'm done adding every link I want to add. The first one, which is my website link, though there's not much on this link. Then I added my TikTok username. Then I added my affiliate product link here. Do you understand? And also, I also added my WhatsApp link here. So once you're done adding every link, then you click on continue. Click on continue. So once you click on continue, right here you got to add a profile photo for yourself. So you can see I already have my own profile photo. I think it took it from my TikTok. Probably it has synchronized with the TikTok. So right here, just add title and bio. So let's just go down and add it. Oh, wow. You can see these are what I had on my TikTok and it's already appearing here. Just to tell you that it has actually synchronized with my TikTok profile. So just click on continue again. All these things you are doing, you can actually get to edit them later on. Do you understand? You can come over here and click on edit and get to edit everything. So once you are done creating this particular page, so what you want to do next is just go and add the link to your Instagram profile. So right here, I'll be showing you how to do that right away. Just come to where you have edit profile. So you know I said there are two ways to go about this. So and this is the first way. So come over here and click on edit profile. So once you click on edit profile, so where you have this website, you can just replace it with what you just created. So let me try and, oh, they said editing your links is only available on mobile. Oh, that's crazy. So I just go ahead and do it on my phone. Then I'll show you guys everything. I'll show you guys everything. All right, so right now I'm on my phone and I want to go ahead and add the link we just created. So just go over to where you have edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, so just come to where you have links. You can see links right here. So click on links. So you now say there are two ways to add the link to your profile. So this is the first way. Just come through this method and add a link here. So the thing about this method is that every link you want to add, you just keep on tapping add external link, and it will make your profile look disorganized. Imagine having about 10 links on your profile. It doesn't make sense. So it's better you just create one link that takes people to different places. So we are going to be deleting this link and replace it with what we just created. So I just delete, then I'll go to my clipboard and paste the link we just created. So this is our Linktree link. Then this title here, you can just add a title to it. So I just write guide. Then I'll click on check. So once you do this, then you've added a link to your profile. So now you'll be able to create one link that connects to so many places. So I believe you now know how to add a link to your profile. So just go ahead and create a Linktree link so that you can add as much affiliate links that you want to add to your profile. So that as you go about driving traffic to your profile, those that click on your link will get to see several offers that you have for them. So I believe you got value from this video. And if you did, ensure to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and comment how valuable it was in the comment section. I guess I'll see you in my next video, right? Alright, bye guys.